The JuniorIT team has developed an incredible AI-powered chatbot called ByteMate, designed to function just like a real teacher. In this video, we will explore its amazing functionalities, which include interactive Q&A, where anyone can ask any question to the ByteMate bot via simple chat. It also helps with image recognition, where either just by writing text to ask the question, the user can also upload images and ask relevant questions related to the images. You can also train ByteMate to answer specific questions related to your own content, just like your YouTube channel, online courses, classes, or even your offline school. It also has the feature of self-assignment of courses, where students or any viewer can assign themselves courses via just a video URL. It also helps with customized course creation, where you can quickly create high-quality courses tailored to the student needs. It also helps assign a variety of courses to different students based on the requirement. Let me just quickly show you some of the features of our ByteMate AI chatbot. For this, you have to join our Discord server. Once you have joined our Discord server, you just have to use some / commands so that you can start your interaction with the ByteMate chatbot. Just use /help, and here you will see one icon, because this command is from the ByteMate AI chatbot. Just hit enter and it will ask you to name yourself. So you can name yourself anyone, then it will help you to interact with you via using the name. So I'm going to just use the name and hit enter. Now it will interact you by the name you have provided. Just click on the app again and just send it a message. ByteMate can answer any query you throw at it, from coding to history to physics and beyond. Let me show you how. I will just write one query: how to use WebSockets in Python. Hit enter. Then ByteMate will provide you one response. ByteMate can even generate the code for you and all the necessary steps to install WebSockets library, how to create a WebSocket client, running the server and the client, and all other information needed. You can also interact with ByteMate AI. There is one image from my assignment. So there is one data structures and algorithm question, one history question, one biology question, and one English question. So let's see if AI ByteMate chatbot can help me with this one. Again, come to ByteMate. Then either you can just upload your picture by clicking on the plus sign and upload a file, or either you can just copy the image and paste it here using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. And I'm going to write, explain me the questions, and hit enter. ByteMate will process this image and then provide you a solution. Here is the ByteMate response for the history question, for the biology question, for the English question. And if you want follow up, you can just ask again, explain me the code, and hit enter. Then ByteMate will also just provide you the example code along with the explanation, some example walkthroughs. So now you have your own virtual teacher, which could be used to learn anything in the world. You can also train this ByteMate AI agent to provide customized content for your specific needs. And it can also learn about your institution, about the content that you create. For example, this ByteMate AI agent is from JuniorIT Discord server. So let me ask, what is JuniorIT? It is the response, and you can even further train it for specific information that you want your viewers, your audience, or your students to interact with. Now again, let's come to JuniorIT Discord server. And here, once you will use / commands, you will see two more commands: mentor create and mentor assign. Because you can use ByteMate AI chatbot to just have access for mentor tools, and mentor tools will help you to create courses as well as assign courses. and I will just create a separate video for it. For time being, you can just click on this and it will just give you one link, and using the link you can create customized courses for you and your audience. If you are a YouTuber or a content creator and you want more engagement and more interactivity with your audience, you can assign JuniorIT style courses to your audience. So how can you do that? Suppose you have just created one video and this is the title of the video, and you want your audience to follow along with us. You can give your audience one course assignment. The course can be assigned pretty easily even by students or the viewers itself. So if a viewer wants to self-assign the course, a viewer just need to copy the URL of the video and again come to the Discord server which has ByteMate Chatbot installed, and then just have to write this, the video URL, and then write, please assign me course for the video, and just hit enter. And ByteMate will assign one course for you. The ByteMate chatbot will give you a link for the assignment along with the mentor name. Your student, viewer or audience can click on the link and can start doing the course. Let's first see how to add ByteMate to your server. There are basically two methods. First, you need to join our Discord server. Simply join our Discord server named by JuniorIT. The link is in the description of this video. Just click on the link and it will ask you to join our Discord server by the name JuniorIT. Once you have joined our Discord server JuniorIT, you will arrive at the welcome channel. Now in the welcome channel, there is one list on your right side, and in that list of Byte bosses, you will have one member by the name ByteMate, and this is our AI chatbot. So to add this chatbot to your server, just click on this AI chatbot application and then click on this button, add app. Then it will ask you for which server you want to add this chatbot, and just select your own server and then click on authorize. Now go to your server. Now once you come to your server, you can see among the list of online members of your server, you will see the name ByteMate. Now to interact with this Byte boss, just use / commands and then help. Hit enter, and here you just have to provide your name. So I am going to provide my name. Just hit enter, and now you can interact with ByteMate, and ByteMate will recognize you by the name you have provided. Let me just show you one alternate method to add ByteMate chatbot to your own server. Just again come to JuniorIT Discord server. Just right click on ByteMate application, and here you will have one option to copy user ID. Just copy the user ID for ByteMate application. Then just search for Discord permissions calculator on Google, or I will also provide the link for this in the description. Just click on it, and here you just have to write or just paste the ID of the bot that you have copied. Just hit enter, and here it will just provide you one link. You can also give permissions according to the role that you want from our ByteBot. Just click on the link by managing your permissions, and here it will ask you to log in, and then again you can choose your own Discord server. Once you have just click on the permissions and log in again, you just have to select your server. Then again click on authorize. And by using this method also, you can add ByteMate AI chatbot or application to your server.